Hi friends, hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about Mr. Beast, and this is the person who is the top YouTuber in the world at the current time. He has more than 330 million subscribers. He goes by the name of Jimmy Donaldson, so that's his real name. Mr. Beast is the channel, and you can check out this channel if you have not been in the YouTube universe till now. Now, Mr. Beast was born in 1998, so he is a very young person, and he is basically a YouTuber. He is somebody who takes part in business. He also gives a lot of money out for philanthropy. So, one of the things he's known for is fast-paced videos, which have very high qualities, very high quality thumbnails, which have a unique design and so on. And he has given out a lot of opinion about what is required to become a successful YouTuber. For example, the first many videos which you make are going to suck in quality, but later the quality is going to go up. And what has happened is that many young boys, young men have typically embraced Mr. Beast as the role model. Now, of course, this is something good. Mr. Beast has become phenomenally successful and rich, but the problem is that this is having a negative impact on all the STEM fields out there, the science, technology, engineering, and math areas. And many of the young boys, young men who could have become scientists, engineers, maybe contributed something to these professions, maybe made the world a better place. They are now thinking that how they can become Mr. Beast, how they can make those videos regarding the different type of cars he crushes, the unique tricks he does, and so on. And so this has become something which has detracted many young people from their career prospects, from their future, and so on. And this may even have an impact on the national security of many countries, the economic growth which is possible and which comes out of science and technology domain, and also it may lead to their eventual decline and downfall. So let's trace the education of Mr. Beast. He was born in Kansas in US, and he essentially went to a private high school known as the Greenville Christian Academy. And after that, he went to East Carolina University for some time, from which he dropped out to become a full-time YouTuber. And during this time, his mother was not pleased at all with his decision. And in fact, she told him to go out of the house and find his own establishment. This is something at least we know from Wikipedia. Now, the games he used to concentrate on when he started his channel were essentially Minecraft and Call of Duty. These, of course, have a lot of following out there. And I know many young people, including relatives of mine, who spend a lot of time in gaming. They neglect their studies. And then what happens is that if you question them, they say that they want to become like Mr. Beast. Certainly, Mr. Beast is much richer than most engineers, doctors, and scientists out there. And so, why should they really study the hard subjects such as trigonometry, such as calculus, and why not spend their time in Minecraft and Call of Duty and so on? So, this is certainly a problem out there. I don't have any solution to it. But do keep in mind that it was essentially the boys who mostly used to study the STEM discipline. One advantage, of course, may be that more girls will think about studying the STEM discipline because the boys are spending all their time on video games and so on, and this may encourage the STEM education of girls and women. But there are a plethora of boys out there who nowadays do not have any aspiration beyond gaming. They do not even want to take any vocational activity, such as becoming a plumber, such as doing some repair work, such as taking part in construction industry, such as becoming an airline pilot, a truck driver, or any normal occupation which boys used to consider in the past. Nowadays, they only want to become gamers, and this is a dark side of Mr. Beast's success, which is going to impact civilization in general for years to come.